You may be surprised how many students turn the page to start their LEQ on the AP exam and there is only 10 minutes on the clock or 12 minutes or whatever. In the moment you are gonna be tempted to give up and take a nap because you are not going to earn any points in 10 minutes. Wake up sleepy ahead. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to score at least a few points in that very short period of time. To write a successful LEQ, long essay question, in 10 minutes. You'll need to follow a few key steps, read and understand the prompt, take a few moments to carefully read and analyze the prompt. Identify the main topic or theme that the prompt is asking you to address. Brainstorm key points. Jot down a quick list of key points and arguments you could make in response to the prompt. Think about specific examples or evidence you could use to support your ideas. Outline your essay. Create a brief outline of your essay. This will help you organize your thoughts and ensure you stay focused on the main point of your essay. Write your introduction. Begin with a strong opening sentence that grabs the reader's attention and clearly states your main argument. Follow up with a few sentences that provide background information or context for your argument. Develop your body paragraphs. In each paragraph, focus on one key point or argument. And provide specific examples or evidence to support it. Be sure to use transitional sentences between paragraphs to help your essay flow smoothly. Write your conclusion. Summarize your main points and restate your thesis in a clear and concise way. End with a strong closing statement that leaves a lasting impression on the reader. Edit and revise. Take a few minutes to review and edit your essay. Check for grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. Make sure your essay is well organized and makes sense as a cohesive whole. Remember, writing a successful LEQ in just 10 minutes is a challenging task, so try to stay focused and avoid getting bogged down in unnecessary details. Stick to your main points and stay on topic. And you should be able to write a strong essay in a short amount of time.